me and Kayla. Today for Kayla Kawaii squishies today, I have 3 shoutouts to Adriana Novello, Jules Novello, and Elsa No. So those are the shoutouts. If you want a shoutout, please put in the comment below #Kawaii Squishies Club. So let's get into that video. Finally, another day. Ooh, I can touch it. No, I'm not gonna let you touch it because last time when I bring a squishy, you were like throwing into the air. No. So I'm going to the teacher. Fine, but I don't want all the beads in the floor. Okay, fine. Okay, Ron. Ron, we're gonna do the test. I don't want to see any stretch balls or squishes or Kayla. Yeah. Okay, give me the slime back. After this. After this. Oh, fine. Thanks. Now I need it because I need it. The test is over. Fine. Where is all the beads? All the beads is in the floor. Maybe the next tomorrow I'm gonna bring something else. The next day. Oh, this slime is so watery. I'm gonna bring. This slime is so good. Maybe no one can touch this. See. The next day. Alright, today. Oh, I can touch it. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Can I touch it? No. Why? Because yesterday you put all the beads on the floor. Okay? I'm gonna do it in promise. I'm promise. You promise? Yeah. Fine. I'm gonna let you. No, I'm not gonna let you. No, please. Just say. I'm not gonna ruin it. You're not gonna ruin it? No. Fine. You can talk. Thanks. Ooh. Can I have my slime back? Say no. No. Fine. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Stay here. Okay, guys. We're okay. Who's that slime? Oh, it's mine. It's mine. It's Kayla? Kayla? Oh no. That's not my slime. It's his. No. I'm gonna get this slime after the day. Fine. I'm never gonna go. I'm never gonna be here ever again. Oh, fine. Okay, everyone, this was the video. Okay, this was the end of the video. I know it was a shorter. Please subscribe and put a big thumbs up. If we get into 100 million subscribers and thumbs up, I'm gonna give you like slime, wiggly slime and things. Oh my gosh, I got a bunch. Okay, so everyone, after this one, okay.